Hi everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm going to do a pour, and I'm going to do like the Rekka ring that I think was originally by Sarah Mack, if I'm not mistaken. I know Molly's Artistry, she also does this Rekka ring pour. And tonight I'm using all Arteza paints, mixed 50-50 with Floetrol, and then I've just mixed in a little bit of water, just a tiny bit to kind of loosen the paint up a bit. So I'm going to layer my paints in my cup and get going on this one. I hope you enjoy the video. If you do, please like and subscribe. Hit the notification bell and you'll get notifications in the description box down below. You can find my links to follow me on Instagram. I'll also have a link to my Etsy store and to my Facebook page. So I'm hoping that you're all having a good night, and I hope you enjoy the video. So in this pour, I'm trying to recreate a video I just watched of Melly D. She is a phenomenal artist out of Canada, and I just loved the color combination that she used in this pour that she did. And I don't know if I'll have the same outcome. It'd be nice if I did because it was a gorgeous painting, but I'm just gonna kind of use the same color scheme and see what happens. super cool. I used all Arteza paints tonight, Arteza paints tonight, and mixed them with Floetrol and water, and that was it. No silicone. I did lose a bunch of my yellow ochre. That was the last color I put in the cup, and I thought I would have a lot of that on the bottom, but there's just a small trace of it right in here, which I was hoping for more of that, but I will take this beauty. This came out gorgeous, and it was my first time doing a pour with this brand of paint. So I'm hoping I can get another box here soon because I think it's amazing. Although I did have a lot of air bubbles in it that I had to pop with my heat gun, but it turned out cool, and I am calling this one On a Wing and a Prayer. And you're actually getting a glare here from my light. I'll take that down. My can light up above. Sorry about that glare. I will hopefully be able to come back and do a little video of this in the morning and see how much it's changed after sitting overnight. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and y'all take care. Bye for now. So here it is in the morning, and it dried very true to color. Got a shadow of myself here with my phone over it. I'm trying to get good lighting that doesn't glare, but you can see how cool that dried. Really nice. The colors stayed really vibrant. And I just love the center of this one. It's a big heart. So I really enjoyed this painting. Like I said, it did have a lot of air bubbles in it, and I mixed my paint and let it sit for quite a bit before I did this pour. And I noticed that Melly D said she had the same problem. But the colors are gorgeous. So if you're not one that likes to torture paintings, you typically have to with this paint, it seems. Hopefully we could figure out a way not to, but I hope you enjoyed.